Buenos días, me llamo Himanshu y hoy me voy a enseñaros Spanish verb conjugations. Today I'm going to teach you conjugations of verbs in Spanish. Let us start. Regular present indicative forms. You have to understand these two words which are quite important in this verb chapter, regular and present tense. So these all lessons which I have prepared in this verb lesson today, those are related to regular verbs, because in Spanish we have regular and irregular verbs. And second thing, this table in front of you will be applicable only for present tense. Now let us start. In Spanish, we have three kinds of endings that a verb can possibly have: AR, ER, and IR. On the extreme left, these are pronouns, or rather subject pronouns. Yo means I, tu means you, él, ella means he, she, nosotros, we, vosotros, you, ellos, ellas means they. So, when we frame a sentence and you come across a verb with AR ending, then if you use subject pronoun yo, AR will get replaced by O. Second, the same theory is applied for all of these pronouns. If in case you use the sentence using tu as a subject pronoun, which means you, and the verb is AR, then AR will get replaced with AS, and so on. If in case you use verb ER and you use, let's say, pronoun vosotros, so in sentence ER will get replaced with EIS. If in case you are using IR verb and let's say the pronoun is él or ella, anything, he or she, then IR will get replaced with E. So you should know this chart by heart if you want to frame sentences in present tense. Let me give you some examples. Verbs, verbos regulares means regular verbs. These all are pronouns yo, tu, él, ella, usted, and so on. As you can see, first verbos, the first verb I took for AR. So the verb is hablar, which means to speak in Spanish. H is always silent in Spanish, therefore it is hablar. According to the rule, if I say yo hablo, it means I speak. Now how did this O came? Instead of AR, let's go back. With yo and AR ending verbs, AR get replaced with O. So it is yo hablo means I speak. Let's say ustedes. Ustedes means you all. You all. Now let us go back. Well, it's not written here, unfortunately. Usted come in this category: ellos, ellas, oblique ustedes, and ustedes takes the ending an always, and hence I have written ustedes habla, ar will get replaced with an, hablan. Ustedes hablan means you all speak. So yo hablo, I speak. Tú hablas, you speak. Él, ella habla, he, she speaks. Usted habla, you speak. You as a formal. In Hindi, आप. Nosotros, nosotras hablamos, we speak. Vosotros, vosotras habláis means you all speak, but vosotros is used in Spain only. Ellos, ellas hablan means they speak. Ustedes also mean you all, but it is used in Latin America. And hablan, ustedes hablan means you all speak. Let us go to ER verb. The same rule is applied. Yo como means, first of all, comer. Comer means I eat, to eat. Comer means to eat. Yo como means I eat. Tú comes. You can see tú with er, es will get, er will get replaced with es. So tú comes, you eat. Él, ella come, he, she eats. Usted come, you, formal, singular, eat means you eat. Nosotros, nosotras comemos, we eat. Vosotros, vosotras coméis, you eat. Ellos, ellas comen, they eat. Ustedes, you, ustedes comen, you eat. You as a plural. Vivir, vivir means to live. Yo vivo, I live. Tú vives, you live. Él, ella vive, he, she lives. Usted vive, you live as a formal singular. Nosotros vivimos, we live. Vosotros vivéis, you all live. Ellos viven, they live. Ustedes viven, you all live. If in case you don't know the difference between ellos and ellas and vosotros and vosotras, then I suggest you to go back to my video where I explained about the subject pronouns. You will have the clear idea. Let us take one example. Tomar. Tomar means to take. Again, it's a AR verb. So the endings, you know what it should be according to our table. Yo tomo means I take. What should be for you take? Tú tomas. What should be for he, she takes? Take your time and let me know. Él toma. Él, usted. Usted means you. Usted toma. Then we have we take. Take your time and tell me. Yes. Nosotros tomamos. You take. Vosotros tomáis. They take. Ellos, ellas comen. Now I would like to say this thing again. Ellos, ellas means they, and ustedes means you all. But why it came here? Because ustedes takes this ending only, an. So it is, that's why I have placed these all pronouns together. However, ustedes means you all. Comer verb, I eat. So, yo como, you eat. tú comes. He, she eat. Él, ella come. We eat. Nosotros comemos. You eat. Vosotros coméis. They eat. Ellos, ellas comen. You all eat. Then ustedes comen. In the same way, if you notice here, él means he, ella means she, usted means you. So again, usted is written with él or ella because of the same reason which I gave for you. Ustedes is used with ellos or ellas. Usted also use the same ending, which is e. So therefore, they all are put in one category, but the meaning is different. Usted means आप in Hindi, singular. You of English. Last verb is escribir. Yo escribo, I write. Tú escribes, you write. He, she writes. Él, ella, usted escribe. We write. Nosotros, nosotras escribimos. You write. Vosotros, vosotras escribéis. They write. Ellos, ellas, ustedes escriben. I hope you understood this lesson. If in case you want to learn the complete Spanish till A2 level, my batches are running. You can either WhatsApp me or call me on this number. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Adios.